Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for stopping by again. We are back at The Witcher. Can you get me inside the cemetery?
Can you get me inside the cemetery?
I could do anything, but I don't feel like it.
How can I convince you?
This damn investigation is getting tiring. Prove me innocent.
How do I do that? How do I prove you innocent? Come on. Prove me innocent? Oh, I should talk to Shani. I need a permit to enter the cemetery. Thaler or the city guard should provide me with one. Neither does. By the way, neither does. Come on, don't be a douche.
So what'll it...
Is there anything? Change your mind? Anything at all? No, it doesn't look like it. Fine. Fine, I'll do it on my own. So... okay, well, that was a lot we did here. I mean, not in this episode, but in the last one. So, what can we do now? Is the question of the day. Which will be answered how? I don't know. I'll need to talk to somebody. Ramsmeet, Thaler, Vincent. Nobody seems to be in a special talking mood. Anything. You know what? Let's just go back to the swamps, where we will kill the wolves and talk to the thingy. You know, what are they called? The druids? The druids? Yes, exactly, the druids. Oh, and also we'll have to talk to the blacksmith to possibly get a metal rod to revive the golem. And of course I'm gonna go to the dwarven blacksmith, who most probably is gonna ask for his business back.
Need something?
Will you sell me your wares?
Zoltan praised you, so we can trade.
No, I wouldn't.
Would you make me a lightning rod? A long metal...
I know what one is. They used them in Mahakam when humans still prayed to storms. You haven't learnt much about lightning rods since.
Can you make a lightning rod?
Yes.
Are you trying to offend me, or can't you control what you say? I can, for 50 orens.
Oh,
Come back later.
That's a nice deal. 50 orens. I really thought I had to kind of, you know, tell him, yeah, I need a lightning rod, and he would say, yes, absolutely, I can make you a lightning rod, but only if you get me my business back. And then I'd have to talk to the officials, and might have to kill some people, or bribe, or do whatever, and then the order would be pissed, and other people would be pissed, and but all this can be settled with 50 orens. Well, who am I to disagree with that? So we're just gonna kill a few wolves and find the lost boy with the druids, or not, we'll see. And after that, we're gonna come back, get the metal rods, and revive the golem. So Bob's your uncle, right?
Transport services at the best price.
Take me
to the other side. I am ready to go.
How many?
Can I skip this sequence? No, I can't. Should I stop singing? Yes, I should. Because it can't actually be called singing. Why is the music always so sinister? All I'm doing is crossing the river with a ferry. See, it's not sinister anymore when I reach the other end. Even though there are shit ton of drowners around. Oh, yes, it is sinister. It just isn't sinister on the loading screen. Who's looking at me? Drowners. Most probably drowners. Oh, come on. We got stuff to do.
The water
Let's-
seem unsettled.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that's the shrine. Shrine, shrine, shrine. Campfire. You know what? First, let's go to the obelisk. The one thing I haven't discovered yet. And kind of let's go around
Good,
like
sir.
this.
Do you need a boat?
Not yet. Maybe later. See you later, alligator. I think everything I need to watch out for is on this round, on this route. Wow, they're busy bees. Most of the drowners are gone, they're back to brick making. Oh, 7 died, nice. Come on, get this. Yes, there's a Bloodseeker. Bloodseeker. Whatever. There's something that is soon going to be dead, or you know, could be me who's dying. But I don't think so. I'm much too awesome to just perish from a few drowners. Right? I mean, Geralt is, of course. I'd probably run away screaming if I saw a thing like this in real life. Or, you know, I'd just ask myself where the fuck I landed and what the hell happened. Because I don't think it's actually physically possible to have a leech that size. After all, they don't have bones, do they? They don't have bones. They can't really do much. And with that size, they'd probably be unable to move. Or something like that. Right? Right? Oh shit, I'm almost dead again. Well, I got a load of swallow potions. Let's just drink one of those. There's the next obelisk. I don't actually have anything to put in there. It's fine, it's great. Let's just screw that thing. Next thing I want to do is, I think that's the right way. Sorry, I'm looking an awful lot onto my. Wait a minute. I've seen. No. There was a cave of sorts on the way to the shrine, on the way from Grimes to the shrine, or from the brick pit, from the clay pit to the shrine. I'm rather sure about that. Almost 100%. Oh, fool's parsley. Now I could gather it. The damn drowners wouldn't get in my way. Yeah, no, I screwed up. Oh, shit. He's not actually dead. I was sure he was. And remains. Come on. Fool's parsley. Fool's parsley. Oh, it's Kubrith. Nice. So am I on the right track now? Might have already walked too far. Oh, that's a place of power. Should I activate it? Oh, of course, another drowner. Nah, it doesn't look like that there's a cave somewhere around here. I guess it's further along the way. Come on! Just get the fuck away from me! What is that place of power? It's not on the map. Curious. Guess I'm gonna have to explore this. With Helbron. Surrounded by Helbron. You found a place of power. What would you like to do? Let's pray! This gives me sign intensity. Okay, sign intensity, it's fine. Back to the street, back to trying to find the little cave. I should have gone in the cave right away. Not waited for such a long time. And you thought it was gonna be on the map, but apparently it's not. Or I'm just stupid. Don't answer that. That was a rhetorical question. Another drowner. Has this just vanished? Has that thing just vanished? Happy. That would make me sad. Be actually sad about that. If the cave has vanished. Come on, remains. You can't be serious, can you? No. Never. Never in a million gajillion years has this thing actually vanished. Shit. Darn it. You know what? I'm gonna try. I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna run a few times up and down, see if I can manage to find it. If not, well, then not. Until then. And we're back again. So the good thing is I can actually look. The good thing about recording is you can actually look back and see where it is that the thing happened that you think happened somewhere else. And I found out it wasn't actually at the Gramps mission, but while I was just exploring the swamp. And I could have just looked really carefully at the map because it's actually drawn into the map. It is right here. Why I thought it wouldn't be marked on the map, why I thought it would just disappear, I don't know. I actually don't. I really don't. And I'm a somewhat simple person for believing that, but what can you do? So, wow. So, I'm able to pick up the mushrooms now. It's interesting. Also fighting music. Ah, wolf! Wolf! What the hell? No! You actually want steel! And the fast style, of course. Yes. Because you're a wolf. See, the switching between the steel and the... Oh, the beast liver, interesting. Rebus, vitriol, and a pelt. But no dog tallow, sadly. Anyway, I'm just gonna give all the stuff. Oh, let's just have a quick look at them. Okay, it's not actually big enough for me to put in the cat potion. You know what? They're not that expensive. You are going to see a lot more if I'm using one. So let's just do this. Oh shit. And there's another wolf. So gonna have to fight him. We can use another potion. Away with it. And the remains. And you know what? No, I kind of don't want to use the potion. But you can't see shit, so... Oops. That was the wrong potion. I'm an idiot. Now we got the right potion. And let there be light. It looks like a rather big cavern, to be honest. With several pathways winding to other places. New corridor. And how far is it a new corridor? I can actually get through here. If I'm gonna get into the other corridor and it's gonna be just as short and just as empty, I'm gonna be pissed. Because I will just have wasted a perfectly shit, again, the wrong sword, perfectly good potion. Ah shit, there's another. Let's use the group style here. It seems to be a good idea. And this one's done for, and this one's done for too. Nice. This is certainly gonna get me my wolf pelts, which I'm not opposed to. Not at all. But I'm hoping for a little bit of a longer corridor. Will you oblige? Will you oblige? Oh, there's a wraith. Damn. You know what? I actually have the wraith in my bestiary. So, tell me how to... Oh, look. Basilisk. Dog. Susceptible to knockdown. Royal Wyvern. Susceptible to... Sensitive to silver. Okay. And ornithar oil. And they can't do anything. Tactics. They drive at their opponents, try to knock them down, poison them with venom. Sure, why not? Wolves are attacking groups using their numerical superiority to their advantage, and they can be killed by knockdown, fast style, and group style. Okay. The normal wyvern, sensitive to silver and ornithosor oil, which I do not have. I do not know how to brew. But right now, we want to know how to kill a wraith. Immunity to blindness and bleeding attempts. They are fearless and immune to poison, pain, and knockdown attempts. Sensitive to silver and spectral. The suffering experienced by a wraith makes the wounds it inflicts more painful. So, supposedly, spectral is a good idea, but I kind of don't want to waste it on just one wraith if I don't have to. Which means I'm gonna save and gonna try it without spectral oil and without swallow potion, because I am just that kind of person. And it seems, yeah, look at that. One solitary wraith is no challenge for a witcher. Hey! He just exploded. He didn't give me anything to gather. You lousy bastard. I wanted to get some drop from you, some loot, something to make potions out of. And you just didn't. Brand sarcophagus. But I get a lot of gold. I get a Sephiroth, a piece of dog tallow, a gold sapphire ring, which should be worth something, and 200 steel eggs, which should be something as well. And this looks like a new sign, if I'm not mistaken. Although I might be sorely. No, no, this looks like a new sign. Oops. Come on. Sign Kuin. You've learned the defensive Kuin sign. This sign will block all attacks and protect you from damage. Choose a sign on the left, right of the screen. Tip: Kuin disappears when you cast another sign or attack an opponent. It is best to use against time. It is best used to gain time to drink potions during combat. That is nice. Good to know. Get away, wolf. Come on. Am I using the silver sword? Shit, I'm using the silver sword. I'm a dumbass. Yes. Away with it. I just changed style. I didn't do that on purpose. Are you gonna touch it? Yes, you're gonna touch it. Huh? What is that? Sign intensity decreased by 50%. Well, yeah, it's kinda useless. There's nothing down here either. But there might... Ooh! Oh shit, again. Keep making the same... Shit, I keep making the same mistake. And wait... It's not dead yet. Is it dead yet? Yes, it is. Come on. Give me the loot. And then let's see... Where does this one lead? This is a rather large cave. And there's another place to go. Interesting. Very interesting. What happened to the cat potion just now? Why did it stop? And what's happening around here? That's a collapsed tunnel. And, but supposedly I can get through here at some point. Or another wolf. Where did they come from? At least I'm pretty close to having enough thingies. And with thingies I mean pelts. This looks menacing. Very menacing, in fact. Just a stinky cloud? Or is it actually a stinky cloud? Or is it fireflies? I'm just gonna collect those mushrooms. And after I collected all of them, I'm gonna try entering the circle. Yes, let's just do it. Nothing's happening here. Maybe later. Can I use my sign here? Bam! No, I can't. Annoying! Why did you show me that I can do this in the first tutorial thingy, and after that it just doesn't work on anything ever? Oh, another wolf. Sure. If I had to guess, I'd say that's the last pelt I need. We'll see if my guess is right. Yes! See? And I didn't look it up. I actually guessed. And it got me a level. And there is some other way through that I can again not get through. And that I can again not use my sign to get through. Very, very annoying. But whatever. Whatevs. It's fine. I'm totally okay with it. It's so cool. Are there gonna be more? Oh, would you look at that? There is a wolf I have not skinned yet. Have I been through that? Oh, there's another exit. Most peculiar. Where does this exit leave me? The druids? Because it kind of looks like it. What? It got me out where I came in? That doesn't make sense. Well, screw you. Screw that. Let's go to the guy that I owe money to. Well, technically I don't owe money to him. All he did is tell me how to identify the plant. But I guess I did agree to split the profits. So I'm not gonna bail on him. I just ran the wrong direction. Screw you, drowners. I'm not afraid of you, I'm just bored of you. That's the only reason I'm running away. And don't you forget it. Because I can come after you anytime I want. And just end you. And all of your friends. And you don't want that. Do you? So... Jordan! I got the money.
The ferryman paid me for the herbs.
About time.
I took the risk in the swamp. I'm keeping all the... No.
Here's your share.
Real pleasure doing business, Witcher.
Likewise, yeah.
Speak.
Fuck off.
Godspeed.
It's because I'm not an asshole. How much did you take? 200? Yeah, see, thought as much. Share the gold, Yaron bought because I'm not an ass. Next stop. This one. The thingy. Also, the mysterious tower. I have 5 saffrons. Okay. Sentry, lost contract. I've got all that. What I want to know is which Sephiroth I got. Yeshrath. Where is it? Venrek. Authored. Yeshrath. Okay, it's somewhere. Authored. Just a long way away. Oh wow. Lighting just changed. Very suddenly changed. Weird. But okay. I'm cool with it. So let's go to the... Oh, what is that sound? Let's go to the druids. But that druid lady looked really frightening. Very, very frightening. So I'm gonna save. Let's save just to be sure. Kinda scared, you know. Hello, druid.
What is it?
Wow, he looks
I
like
seek a boy
the
missing
number
from the
one
brickmaker's
druid. I mean,
village.
I've not
the
seen
poster
him.
boy for
The
druids.
brickmakers claim you changed children into dryads.
Fools! Only adults are accepted here. Children would only trouble us. As for dryads, ask them yourself.
Farewell.
Turn them into dryads? What are dryads? Hey, look, a nice wolf. Oh, be darned. And a nice wyvern. And an obelisk. Hey, elder druid.
What is it?
You look kinda just as old as the other druids. Fainwen ritual plans. The druids. Whee! Shit, that is even more expensive. You have to be kidding me. And I kinda want it, and I can afford it. I could possibly afford it. Formula for Maribor Forest, which increases maximum endurance level. Interesting. 300. But I kinda want to do the druid's herbarium. But I'm gonna wait.
Windblade.
What? What are you saying? Oh, I'm gonna talk to him actually.
What is it?
Druids
You
control
druids
nature.
control nature's forces, right?
No, we cannot. Rather, we live by its rhythms.
You train wild animals, and you can stir up a storm?
No, I mean yes, but not by force.
Well, I need a tempest with thunder and lightning. Can you create one?
Why do you need it?
I need a thunderbolt.
Will you attract it by whistling?
I'll get a lightning rod.
First, fetch the rod, and then we'll try the storm. Nature's patience is best not tested.
Wow.
Farewell.
Well, he was surprisingly open for that suggestion. Another druid. Oh, look at that. Circle of unwanted power? What does it do? I've learned the last sign. I've learned the Udrin sign, a magical trap that slows down your opponent. Choose a sign on the left right on screen. When enchanted, Udrin also causes damage to opponents and can poison and weaken them. It is best used in combination with other signs. Oh, or are there actually 5 signs? I can't remember anymore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, shit. I have not yet gained access to Oxy.
Welcome to the Druid's Grove, traveller.
Greetings.
Marvellous place. I come here when I need to think, and the peacefulness helps clear my mind. Even a witcher is welcome here.
One more word about my accepting my otherness and finding the home I never had, and I'll cry like a baby.
Sarcasm only serves to expose your inhibitions.
Ooh, an elven psychoanalyst.
I spent decades among humans. I find your kind as complicated as the schematics of a flail.
Decades?
You're not that
Live
wrong,
that long
actually.
among humans, you're bound to become more like them than you ever wanted to be.
Are you speaking from experience, Monster Slayer?
A sharp wit. I'm Geralt.
My name's Jourdan.
Let's talk.
Yes.
Let's talk, but not now. In fact,
See you later.
this has already become a rather long episode once again, so thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe. every bit helps. So, until next time, bye!